Today I'm going to show you easy VFX tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here are picture of the old TV. Leave the video footage to the picture layer. Reduce the scale of the image. And change the blending mode to linear dots. Then we will go effect and search the crop effect and leave it the top of layer. Then we will go effect control and crop the video layer. When done cropping, then we will go effect and search lens distortion and leave it the top of layer. Now we will go effect control and turn off the field alpha and increase curvature. Then we will go project and leave it the noise footage. Again we will go effect control and resize the skin. And blending mode linear dot. Then masking with the TV screen. Increase the max feather. These areas are not done, so it will match the TV screen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.